iOS 26 Beta 6 is here, and Apple has just given us ringtones, and people are pop about it. So half a dozen of new ringtones has just launched, and dimmer is already on trending. Also, remember that swipe direction chaos on the camera app? Apple has gone never mind and put it back the old way. Plus, faster app animations, shinier liquid glass effects, and a fresh onboarding screen to show it all off. So, are we just upgrading for the features or just a ringtone flex anyway?